All you have to do, guys, is just look for the Google apps on your phone. You can basically swipe up and you can type in Google TV, right? And you will find the application there. Or if you have yours grouped by apps, you can simply go ahead and look for the Google folder and you can find those group Google applications here and you'll find Google TV there. Now, if you have something like a Chromecast or whatever it might be, all you have to do is just basically tap on this TV nearby option here. As you can see here, just simple tap on that and it will detect your Chromecast or whichever Google TV application or device that you have connected to your TV. It will basically search for those devices. It will find it. You just need to tap on it and it will put a code on your TV. Now, once it puts a code on your TV, you just need to enter the code. As I can see right here for me, it basically puts a code here. So I'm going to simply enter that code and just simply tap on pair. Now that is going to pair their phone to the TV, and that's all there is to it. You can easily go ahead and you can just simple tap on the TV and it will connect to your TV. You'll be able to do whatever you want from your phone and it will just replicate back on your TV, guys. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple stuff, guys.